Welcome to spontaneous communication. What is spontaneous communication? This is something all of us must learn. World is fast, people want things like this. You must engage people very quickly. I'm going to give you a format, a template. What's a template? What's a format? It has certain steps. You remember the steps, you can talk about anything. Now, where can you use this particular template? This template is called as P.A.R.A. What is it called? P.A.R.A. P.A.R.A. template for spontaneous. Divyaji, imagine you are in a meeting and your opportunity comes to, let's say there is a silence and you want to speak. It is very important that you speak, because what happens? Your visibility goes up. Your visibility goes up, what happens? Money goes up. They'll start seeing you as a valuable member. So I'm going to give you a format. And now, let's say you're sitting with some friends. Everybody is speaking and your turn comes. And you don't want to be somebody who speaks and who is just gossiping and saying something. You must have heard the Tamil word, Volaranga. You want to be that? No, you want to add some value. Add some value. It's called as P.A.R.A. Let's begin. P.A.R.A. stands for 4. Everybody, coach, give me more. P.A.R.A. stands for, P stands for point. P stands for point. A stands for action. A stands for action. This is called as spontaneous speaking. Then next one is result. What is it? Result. R. And the last one is ask. P.A.R.A. Okay, 4 things: point, action, result, and ask. Okay, so please pay attention. This will help you to instantly improve your visibility. Instantly people will be able to see that, wow, this person is a valuable speaker. This is so beautiful system it is. Shall we begin, P.A.R.A.? Ready? I'm gonna do some examples. Examples are ways to explain anything and everything. I'll give you an example where was the first time I used it and it went so beautiful. Shall we begin with P.A.R.A.? My friends are talking about personal development. They're talking about many years ago when I learned this particular template called P.A.R.A. P stands for then action. Ask. My mind is going on, and how many of you will be able to relate? Please listen carefully. So they're talking about personal development, and my mind is going on about what about personal development? Is it about reading books? Is it about going to courses? Is it about going for certain exercises? Personal development is a huge field. My mind is going all over the place. At that particular time, I chose one point. I believe that sleep is very important for personal development. What I do is I do the best of sleeping 5 days in a week before 9:30 p.m. That is what? Action. That is, and the results that I've got, I must say personally, not just personally alone, but professionally also, I'm doing really well. I have actually done well in my work, and in my personal, my energy levels are much more higher, and in fact, much more better. In fact, I use this app, which can help me to monitor my sleep. In fact, it is in my watch also. And Kritika, Vishal, Abhilasha, if you are interested, I can show this to you. Are you interested?
Yes.
What is the last one?
Ask. Please show it.
Come on, everybody. Very nice. Beautiful. Suddenly, did I look like an expert?
Yes.
Yes. I added value. And one thing, Nakul, please look at this, Fauzan. How I did was, I handed over the conversation to you. People don't like people who speak a lot. People like people who be a good listener. Okay? Give me a topic now. Now let us say we are some few people who are sitting, and see, I'll use the P.A.R.A. Give me a topic quickly, randomly, quickly. Tell me a few topics. Space. Yes. One point about space is it is world of possibilities. What I have been doing is I've been doing a research on space. In fact, there is a friend of mine. In fact, she is a part of my leadership academy, Yukta. She is learning a lot about space. The result about that is she wants to become the youngest astronaut to be in the space. The youngest one is 23 years, 54 days. She wants to reach there before 23 years, 54 days. And would you like to meet her sometime and know more about space? Yeah, would that be interesting? Let's have a Zoom call with her. How is it? Amazing?
Yes.
Did I add value? Did you get information that youngest astronaut is at 23, 54 years old, has gone to the space and she has set a goal. She's a part of my leadership academy. Many of you know Yukta, no? How many of you know Yukta? Morning ritual people, all of you guys know Yukta. Correct? Yes. Wonderful. Did I use the template? Yes. One thing amazing about templates, it removes all the things. Otherwise, what exactly happens is this. Everybody do this. This is what is going on in our head. என்ன சொல்றது, என்ன சொல்லக்கூடாது, எது சொன்னா பிரச்சனை ஆயிடும், what should I say, क्या बोलूं, I know so much, or otherwise this much. So what P.A.R.A does is do this. Filters it. What does it do? Funnels it. It will distill and put the best in that. Did I speak spontaneously about it? Yes. Now, I will use this and I can tell you what I did very recently in a meeting on artificial intelligence. On AI, there was a meeting which was going on and a couple of my friends, you were all talking about AI and all that. And then everybody had started speaking, people were speaking and there was a silence at that moment. I thought, this is my moment. AI can actually save you a lot of time in terms of productivity. What is this? Point. Isn't it? Now, to leverage on this particular thing, I use an app called as Calendly. Calendly helps me to send several emails to one person and does all its own follow-up, automates everything, fixes up my appointments, my phone calls, my messages, every other thing. The result of that is every week I am saving 10 hours. How many hours?
10 hours.
How many of you would want to learn about this Calendly app or Calendly AI where it can help you save 10 hours every day? Every week. 10 hours every week. Are you interested? How many of you want to learn that? How did it go? Smooth? Easy? Wonderful? This is called as P.A.R.A. This is called as P.A.R.A. So what is a P.A.R.A? It's a template. It's a template. When you have templates, you don't have to think much. What it does this. Everybody come on this. People don't have time for so much. Correct? Time illa. They want distilled and they want the nectar juice. They want that best. And it should look very elegant. And most importantly, the most amazing part is this fellow. Asking. And I'll now go into each and everything. People make points. They don't show any actions. People listen to people who act. Please be remembered that when you are doing this, make sure that you have some action. People will automatically see you as an expert. Because of action, what do you get? Everybody wants results. People don't like reasons. In your job, will you get paid for reasons or results? Once, twice, maximum. Current 3 times people will listen to your stories. Otherwise, they'll say, you're not, people want results. And last is, that is what beautifully hand it over to people that they understand, oh my God, this was so easy, very nice. Wonderful. Everybody is ready? We are going to implement this technique. Now I want some people to come on the stage who can put this to exercise. Give me one topic. Topic is goal.
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 Goal is a very important thing in life. I have made a goal to get full marks in one of my most favorite subjects, computer science. So I studied very hard and I even used the computer to understand the topics. So in the end, even though I did not get full mark, I got sufficient marks, like 98% in computer science. What do you think about it?
How many of you want to learn computer science from me? Nice. Thank you so much. Nice. Please, what topic can we give him? We will give him communication.
Communication is the most basic thing we need in our life. I have gone for this communication breakthrough class, which has helped me a lot, and it has given me many results. They are in rough smoothly right now. Do you guys also want to go to communication breakthrough?
Yes.
Ask us.
Again, did you see he was able to, so what action he has taken, he has been able to give results, please come. Yes. Yeah. Come on, we'll start giving topics. This is an experiential workshop, correct? Yeah, we do and we learn. Yes. What topic?
Sportsmanship.
Sportsmanship. Lovely.
Sportsmanship. Every human has to learn some at least a sport in their life. It's for their health, for physical health as well as for their mental health. It helps me in my life very much. For past 5 years, I am in badminton coaching. I am learning very well. It gives me very much good for my fitness as well as for my mental health. So, if anyone want to learn sport or badminton, please reach to me out for the next level action.
Did you see that how it is? She said she made a point, it's good for mental health, physical health, and I have been playing badminton. She has done action. It is, she has showed the result what she is getting, and then she has handed it over to you. Wonderful, correct? Vishal. Yes, Vishal. Music.
Music is something very important to reduce your stress. I listen to music to reduce my stress level. You want to know the trick?
Okay, results. Add something for results also.
Sir, I used to do to reduce my stress.
That is an action that you have done.
Sir, I reduce
No, I am much more calmer now, much more relaxed, something like that. But pretty good, isn't it? I will be very happy to share my playlist. This is a very specialized song to keep you relaxed. Stress is killing a lot of people. I will share my playlist, whoever is interested. Suddenly he's become very valuable, very powerful. Nice, great.
Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.